unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
To pack minimally, follow these 9 tips. 1. Choose versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. 2. Wear your bulkiest items while traveling. 3. Roll your clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles. 4. Limit shoes to a maximum of 3 pairs. 5. Pack multi-purpose gadgets. 6. Use packing cubes to organize items. 7. Carry a lightweight, foldable bag for extra purchases. 8. Limit toiletries to essentials. 9. Download digital versions of books and guides. These tips streamline packing, ensuring you bring only what's necessary.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.